The Shillong Municipal Board has initiated a probe into allegations of irregularities in the allotment of a shop space at Jail Road, Shillong, after a Khasi woman claimed that a non-tribal individual had allegedly secured ownership through bribery. The complainant met the board's officials on Wednesday to press her claim over the shop, asserting that she is the legitimate allottee. Although Chief Executive Officer P.K. Boro was unavailable, the matter was taken up with the board's engineer F.B. Khan. Accompanied by leaders of the VPP State Youth Wing, the woman urged upon the board to take immediate correction action. VPP State Youth Wing Secretary Nathaniel Maury alleged that the woman possesses documentary evidence establishing her ownership since 2024 and claimed the non-tribal individual's allotment may have been facilitated through corrupt practices involving certain officials. Responding to the complainant, the SMB assured that a detailed inquiry would be conducted and all relevant records and competing claims would be scrutinized before appropriate action is taken.
BPP State Youth Wing mentas ngi kawan hang ni hapo ka office municipal banya kendo ya CEO Henry banai kini ka city jongi ban complain yu hakabai dei bat ketuka dukan hang the hapo Jail Road hakabai dei ba jongi kong smi dalin konset hakabai la sa kini no hau ni usa Jail Road na keling jongi ngiwan bangin kendo CEO na banya kran halor kanu kanong rem ba uni u bri uyo kini ka dukan hadian pengilaikan bad ini kong lalap ba ini kong lasong hang tu la slem sabon song mu Henry nakadaw ba idon hapdeng ka jingbom lakiar namar ba idang yok klong te ikhami osu bon wan Henry heke ka bajapat kalong ba kaya ka pelong ngi pat mentas ngi banwan hani kadai belong halor ba ini kong ila ban pensisa ba katu ka jaka kadai jong i pi kaya ka pelong ngi ban ngiwan hani kalong ba pet hani ngan pi feeling ba kanika town bending committee berkelawan kila pensisa hiru ba idon hang tu Henry kaya pat ka pelingo ngi kalong ba ki klem batai pat ngi hamar hang no kadai jaka namar ba pi de kajing bombatai jong ki kani ka pini ka pen pausai bet ba nakaliang jong ka jong ni ubrio dambak ulapan bam pisai kini ki bawan banlek survey tengi hajing sisa ngilakwa mungkin dua sunjat namar bau sium don dingila kendo no ya ngila kendo no ya licensing officer bakhan te na kaliang jong i ila de ayingi kata ka assurance ba in page but na kaliang jong i yong in sa pan ki file baro but in sa page but in sa let biang ikani ka jabai di kan ka te balay nakaliang jong iwan mantas ni ka ba namar ngi suthu ba katay ka jaka hi hang tay ka di bijong ni kong namar balay ka jingle jong tu dakhar ban ban ai kong da kapisa ka tu ka pen scam ba utu ubriyo ya ka tu ka jaka ru umsem la yo da kalinti ka badai Henry mauru imat ula supen kamti la ni ula su ai pisa ikat tu ka ni ki ba don hagabot bala ban ai u ka tu ka jaka borun sedang ki kam jong te tangkat ni pi ini habai dei bat kajing sejung ui kikot kisla dei ini ikong ila apply madu usnam arajar akusau Henry utu barjela habau peni kikot jong uli kidei hadin arar ka uli uyo ya ka ketuka kot jong una ka municipal kamu ka license jong una municipal house nam arajar akusan te kata kala penpausa yang iba kadan ka ikai selendat te ya ka jingyo jong ui tu ka jaka te nakaliang jong isu dan nang ani ka bonong ba habai yetri kanu ka kam yetri hok te nai pet ba kibdei hok banyo kinyo bat ki bomdei tengi kinum dei banyo namar ba lada pi ki bomdei banyo tang nakadaw ba kila ban yarap ne ban pen no sapla jong pi kata kalong gege ka bukla nakaliang jong hi ka BPP State Youth Wing yakini ki jat kam ngim kersan bat nakaliang jong iru ngin mi sakhmat habadon kanu jing sak thombor yaki riu kan thai lani yaki khamtam kini ki baret bari amo ki bom dan sur na banta jong ki ngin mi sakhmat bat na banta jong ki ru ngin yai kersan ban ngin yai tur ban na banta ka hok hi ngin ya le be tat hadu hi ka hok kan wan bat ka hok kan pau saba